I am headed to the sizzling hot West Loop, to a close-to-everything location that's a short block from Randolph Street's Restaurant Row, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished luxury apartments at the full-amenity, pet-friendly Union West. Union West has extensive amenities, including a third-floor party room with a catering kitchen, a variety of comfortable seating areas, a double-sided fireplace, and multiple large-screen TVs. The party room opens to a pool deck with cabanas, a fire pit, and a grilling area. There's a dog park and a pet spa adjacent to the deck. The rambling top-floor lounge is an ideal spot to host a business meeting or a study group, or meet up with friends in the gaming area. The lounge opens to a rooftop deck with skyline views and grills. Union West has a spacious top-floor fitness center with a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment and an adjacent yoga studio. I'm in apartment 311W, looking out through a windowed door that provides direct access to a grilling area, turning into an open-plan living dining kitchen. High ceilings, well up above 10 feet. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades on 2 walls. Wide plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment. Very much a loft feel to this space. We've got a breakfast bar peninsula, black designer gooseneck faucet, above a gray quartz counter and an undermount sink. Turning for a look at a great home office desk and that living space with a large TV. Kitchen has quartz counters again. There's a large tile backsplash, 42-inch upper cabinets, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, 4-burner gas range, built-in dishwasher and microwave under the cabinet. It's a range hood, track lighting up above. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, set up with all the cookware, dishes, cutlery, glassware, everything you're going to need to feel right at home, just bring your suitcase. And you'll find a goodie bag with drinks and snacks when you arrive. Getting back into the bath. Again, very much a designer look. It's a body spray attachment, dark wide tile on the floor, LED lighting in the mirror. It's a deep soaking tub and a tandem entry into the bedroom, set up with a king-size bed, nightstands, and you have a walk-in closet with additional linen, towels, laundry basket. Heading back again out into that kitchen area, looking toward the entryway, behind the louver door, a stacked washer dryer, and as you would have walked in, coat closet with ironing board, and cleaning supplies. Sweet Home has a variety of apartments at Union West, all with very stylish finishes, in-unit washer dryers, great suite of amenities in the building, and West Loop Market soon to open here. It's a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.